Think investing is only for rich people? The truth is, anyone can start investing, even with a small amount of money. Investing simply means putting your money to work today so it can grow into more money tomorrow through time and consistency. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect time. The best time to start is usually much sooner than you think. Even investing a small amount every month can become surprisingly powerful because your money has more time to keep growing.
One of the safest ways beginners invest is through diversified funds that spread money across many different companies instead of only one.
Never invest money you'll need next week. Investing works best when you give your money enough time to grow steadily. Don't let fear stop you. Every experienced investor started as a beginner who simply decided to take the first step.
Avoid chasing quick riches because successful investing usually rewards patience, smart decisions, and consistent habits over many years.
Always keep learning. The more you understand about investing, the more confident your financial decisions become over time.
Remember, successful investing isn't about luck. It's about discipline, patience, and allowing time to do the heavy lifting for you.
Imagine where your money could be 5 or 10 years from now if you simply start today and stay consistent every month.
Your investing journey begins with one simple decision. Start small, stay consistent, keep learning, and watch your financial future become stronger every year.